Hello and welcome to this video on MacBook Pro 14 inches unboxing. This is the M1 MacBook Pro with quite impressive specs that have been given to use for a couple of months now, and I must say it's pretty incredible. Anything that you're literally doing on it takes seconds or minutes. The video conversion is really fast as well if you're converting from one format to another. This unit that I've unboxed and using is quite high configuration. It's not the highest configuration, but it's got 8-core CPU, a 14-core GPU, total 16 gigabytes of unified memory, and half a terabyte of SSD storage. So it's pretty good specs for most of tasks that you might be doing. You got 16-core neural engine, 14-inch liquid retina XDR display, 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI, SDXC card slot, MagSafe 3 port. It's just really nice to see the return of MagSafe. I found it to be really useful. Obviously, Magic Keyboard. There is no display inside the keyboard, unfortunately, but there is a Touch ID, which is making it very easy to use, especially with like password managers. And you got the Force Touch trackpad, which actually does that little haptic feedback on some of the supported applications, and the power adapter, which is using USB-C on the other hand, on the other side, which was interesting to notice. So anyway, the machine is brilliant. It's a beast. I could recommend it to anyone from people who have basic needs for using Macs to semi-advanced. I am not 100% sure if this will be perfect for a very heavy 3D animators or so on. It might actually work on some of the tasks, but obviously you can always go for the highest specs. For the web developer, for the programmer like myself, this is a perfect machine.